Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jessica, and as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be reviewing the new Bissell Crosswave Cordless Max. I actually own the original Bissell Crosswave, or I think it's the original, the corded one, and I love it. I've had it for several years. It's awesome, but when they came out with the cordless, I really was intrigued because I have a ton of hard flooring on the first level of my house, so when I have to vacuum and mop, it takes about an hour, and it's honestly equivalent to a cardio workout. I'm not even kidding you. So I wanted to try the Cordless Max just because I felt like that could really save me a lot of time and energy. So I did purchase it with my own money, and I am so excited to be sharing with you guys my thoughts and my opinions on it. So just really quickly, if you don't know anything at all about the Crosswaves, they are a vacuum slash mop all in one. So they vacuum up small debris as well as scrub the floor. They are made for hard flooring, although they can be used on like area rugs. They claim to be a refresher. It's definitely not a carpet shampooer, and I do use them on my area rugs. It basically leaves them very, very damp, kind of just goes over them, sucks up any debris, and just kind of freshens them up. But it definitely does not replace a carpet shampooer, and it's definitely more for hard flooring like tile, laminate, hardwood, and that sort of flooring. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you, but I wanted to start by telling you the price. So this retails for $3.99. But right now, Amazon is having a deal where you can get it for $359.99, and I believe when I checked the Bissell website, they also have that special going on. So definitely shop around, but I did purchase mine on Amazon, and I did get it for the $359.99. And as of right now, when I am doing this voiceover, they were still having that deal. So the box is going to come with the Crosswave itself. It's going to have 4 different bottles of solution and then 2 rollers. So you always have one ready to go if you're cleaning one or one is drying or something. And then it comes with the charging dock. So the new Cordless Max Crosswave is Wi-Fi enabled, and I'm going to show that a little bit later on in the video. It has an app that you can download. It was super simple for me to go ahead and set that up. As of right now, I haven't really noticed that it's something that's very useful for me, but it does have some helpful tips in there for like troubleshooting and stuff, so it may be something in the future that I'm thankful that it has, but as of right now, that's not something that makes or breaks this for me. I don't really know if I'm going to need it in the future, if that makes sense, but it is Wi-Fi enabled. It does have like where it tracks how much you're using it and stuff, which I'm not really sure how that could be useful to me yet, but if I figure something out or I have any more thoughts on that in the future, I will definitely let you know. But I'm just going and showing you this is everything that came in the box. It was really easy to set up. All I had to do was snap that handle in and it was good to go. They recommend that you use their multi-surface and hard floor cleaning products in their Crosswaves. Now, I have the corded one, and I have used a very small amount of like Pine Sol or the like Lysol cleaners, like the multi-surface cleaners. You want to make sure that you don't put a cleaner in there that's going to foam up, because then it's just not going to clean efficiently. So that's kind of the way that their products are made. It's made especially for this. It doesn't foam up or anything. It doesn't leave any streaks. So it is a really great cleaner. And if you want to definitely ensure the warranty of your product that you purchase, which it is expensive, so I do recommend buying their products. But if I'm being honest, I do use my own products and different cleaning products in mine, but I use a very small amount, and I just want to be careful to not use anything that's going to foam up. So here I am setting up the app, and it was really simple. I just signed in with my Facebook account. It made it easier, but there's a little QR scanner code on the back here behind the cleaning tank, and you just scan it with the camera on your phone, and it sets everything up. I think I had it set up in like 2 minutes. So to get started, you're just going to fill up the clean water tank. There are 2 tanks. So you're going to have a dirty water tank and a clean water tank. There are lines on there. As you can see, there's a small area and a large area. I have a very large area, so I went ahead and filled it up to the large area line. And then you just add product until it hits the line that says formula, and that's how you measure how much cleaning product that you're putting into it each time. So I'm going to go ahead and give this a shot here, but keep in mind I did not have the battery fully charged. It did come with a little bit of a charge, but not nearly enough to clean my entire downstairs. So it is not that loud. It's actually a lot quieter than the corded one, but it kind of sounds loud in the video footage, but it is not really that loud in real life. And I am going to show you once you are done, you just put it back on the charging station and there's a button you click and it does a clean cycle. So it cleans out that brush for you. So that is really great. I love that feature about this. That's something that my old one does not have. And here I am showing you the dirty water tank, which is obviously very disgusting, but it does get up so much stuff off of your floors. Another thing that this one has that my other one does not have is this little catch in there. So I can just pull that out and it catches all of the hair and debris that it might pick up. And a question that I know I'm going to get is how much can this pick up, or how big of a debris can this pick up off the floor? And it honestly can pick up Fruit Loops. Like my kids spill Fruit Loops on the floor all the time and it will pick them up with no problem at all. So it can really pick up a lot of stuff. As far as the vacuuming function of it is, it's wonderful, and it actually vacuums my area rugs excellent. So there's no need when I use this to use a vacuum at all. So it definitely cuts down on a lot of time for me, because it vacuums and it mops at the same time. And both features work really great. There's not one that's like better than the other. And then I just rinse everything out with hot water once that process is done. But they do recommend that you just wipe clean the charging base, and because they don't want you to get the little charging ports wet, because that could damage it. Overall, I'm absolutely in love with this Crosswave. It helps me so much because I do have so many hard floors in my home. I highly recommend it if it's something that you can afford or maybe save up for. As far as the battery goes, on the first day that I was testing it, like I said, out of the box, it comes on just enough charge to kind of turn it on and see if it works. It does take 4 hours to charge up completely, but once I charged it up completely, I can clean, and so far it hasn't even left. It has a battery indicator and it has 3 lines, and so far I haven't even left those 3 lines. It's not left a full charge. So far so good on the battery. I'm really impressed and I'm really in love with this product, and so far I really highly recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely be using the Crosswave in many, many more videos to come. If you are new here, I do cleaning videos every week. Cleaning motivation, cleaning hacks, organization, stuff like that. Just sharing like the ways that I clean, my routines, my favorite cleaning products. So you will be seeing me use the Crosswave, and if I develop any new opinions on it, I will be including that as well. But I hope you enjoyed. If you're new, please hit that red subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!